Sila mo. Okay, may kulang tayo dito, ma'am. Hindi yata pwede ito sa kasing tangkad ko eh. Okay lang, okay lang. Nagkaroon kasi ako ng pwede kong tungtungan dito eh, wala. By the way, thank you, Madam Elsie. So a blessed and warm greetings to our honored guests. So, of course, to our speaker for tonight, the COO of Meralco, Sir Ronnie Apirocho. To the Board of Electrical Engineering, Honorable Chairman Francis Mapili, Honorable Member of the Board, Jimmy Mendoza, all our speakers from PSIM, Sir Nestor, and from UAP, Sir Marudo. Tama ba ito, Sir Carlo? To all our officers here, UPEP officers, and from other professional organizations. Marami dito kasama ni President Nestor. Andyan si Sir from PSIM. Dalawa po sila. Yan. Sir, will you please stand up to be recognized naman po, sir? Sorry, hindi ko na ma-mention yung name, but from PSIM po. Kasama ni Sir Nestor kanina, one of our panel. Thank you, sir, for joining us also. To all our company or industry partners, and to the INEE National President, of course, Engineer Alberto Herrera, and some of the INEE officers. To mention them, the VP for technical, right? Technical external, na-promote eh. Diba? Na-promote. Also, the officer of UPEP. Engineer Adrian Ray. And of course, the former national president of this organization, UPEP, Engineer Joseph Solicar. The dancing king of UPEP. And again, Sir Jenny Mendoza, I guess, nandito na, Sir Jenny. Although I mentioned them already, but hindi ko nakikita si Sir Jenny. Asan kaya si Sir Jenny? Saan si Sir Jenny? Well, anyway, sige. And Sir Francis Mapili, nandito na. Parating na rin. Okay. And to all officers from the INEE, sorry kung hindi ko kayo ma-mention na one by one. No? Thank you for joining us here also. Oh, the former national president of IIEE. Ano, paano ba ako mag-acknowledge, sir? The late, sorry. Engineer Lenton Bagui. Thank you so much, sir. Yes, of course. Once again, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our Board of Electrical Engineering, the member of BE, Sir Jimmy Mendoza. So, palakpakan po natin. Thank you. At the former national president pala of UPEP there, this is Sir Christian, Sir Nelson. Meron pa ba dito? Former national presidents of UPEP. Yes, wala na yata, no? And former officers of UPEP. And to all of you, UPEP members, At syempre, hindi ko makakalimutan. Sabi ko nga, ang aking pinakamamahal. Of course. Madam, tawagin ko madam na lang ha, para safe ako. Maricel Rama. So, will please stand up naman para ma-recognize daw. Kaya, I'm very proud. Siyempre, paano ba ako makakasungkit ng ganyan kung hindi ako mabulatis, di ba? Bulero. Eh, sabi niya na, may engineers tayo, may power tayo, may electric power tayo. And well, of course, to all the better halves of our officers also, nandito rin si Doktora, si Madam. I'm sorry, nakalimutan ko ang name, the better half of our former National President, Sir Roel Cabeñas. At syempre, si Sir Roel Cabeñas is the former National President of UPEP and the founder. Sakto sir, dating mo po. The founder of UPEP. Palagpakan mo natin si Sir Roel, yung naging moderator po natin dito. And to all the UPEP staff, so ladies and gentlemen, good evening to all of you. Tonight's activity is the 8th UPEP Annual National Convention, the PE Grand Reunion Socialization Night, and the induction of 2026 Regional Directors. All calls for both occasions to celebrate and challenge to take. An occasion to celebrate because together we believe that we have achieved a higher magnitude of growth and development this year 2025. Anchoring on our UPEP mission and vision, which is likewise focused on continuously building opportunities through benchmarking, external linkages, trainings, and membership excellence. Or yun yung natawag natin, BET-ME. That's actually the theme, or the UPEP theme for this year, 2025. The various activities from general membership, conduct of technical seminars and trainings, and the establishment of external linkages and collaborations, fostering unified professional band with our highly esteemed friends from other professional organizations, including fellowships and community outreach, are tangible manifestation of UPEP's achievements. So mamaya po, I'm going to present the accomplishments of UPEP for this year, 2025, of which, yung team po natin na BET-ME, I guess, na-met po natin lahat. Likewise, this PE Grand Reunion and Socialization Night continuously unite us in the spirit of friendship and camaraderie. But before I continue, may I acknowledge the presence of our PE Chairman, Honorable Francis Mapiri. Sir, good evening po, and thank you, sir, for joining us here again. So let me continue, providing us an avenue to somewhat mingle and have fun with our college, or colleagues, and partners from other professional organizations to share and exchange our best practices towards a common goal. Indeed, a humble yet a good reason to celebrate. Further, it is also a challenge to take because despite of what we have already achieved, we still have more aspirations to do and much more to actualize. This again calls for the renewal of our commitment of our organization, the UPEP. Ito po yung malaking challenge ko ngayon sa ating mga incoming officers, no, ng UPEP about our commitment. A challenge to pursue what the previous and the present officers and board of directors have finished or have started. The continuity and unshakable passion to serve our organization that will eventually redound to do a meaningful impact and contributions not only for our organizations but to the community as well. Indeed, it is a challenge to take, yet a motivating inspiration for all of us. Our unwavering dedication to providing and delivering the highest quality services to the electrical industry with professionalism, evolution, and excellence. Idagdag po natin dito yung napag-usapan natin kanina dito with regards to integrity. Integrity, credibility. Finally, as UPEP 2025 President, please allow me to extend my appreciation and gratefulness to each and every member of our organization, including all our valued guests, company, industry partners, sponsors, all men and women behind every UPEP activity for the strong support, providing me an opportunity and a warm privilege to be part and serve our beloved organization. Natuto lang po, mahirap maging presidente ng organization. But all of this is a great challenge for me for more professional development. Hindi po ito dahil nahirapan tayo, ayaw na. But I guess, or I believe, andito na po si UPEP, naumpisahan na po natin, we started na lang, we have a lot of achievements, of which that will be my next presentation after my speech. Sa palagay ko po, marami din tayong nagawa for this year 2025. And I would like to encourage and challenge also our incoming officers to please continue whatever we have started this year for better UPEP. So maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, sa inyong suporta for this 8th UPEP ENC Annual Convention. Mabuhay tayong lahat! So, viva UPEP! Maraming salamat po.